Hello folks, it's me again. I'm still getting used to this front of house positioning which my good friend Mr. Bill Bullock has suggested, so you don't just see my hairy arms, which he so succinctly pointed out. The point that we were at in the last film was trying to figure out how to replace the U-shaped wheel brace for the Century 21 Moonship wheel. The plan I've come up with is to try and create two little stoppers. Now originally I thought that maybe you could actually shove it into, or shove the axles into a pen ink holder, but they're too short. I did think of maybe using something a bit bigger. Just looking at that draft piece, actually it's amazingly similar to the wheel. I've never considered drafts as spare wheels. There you go. What I've actually come up with is the idea of a small stopper to go into the wheel arch. Now I've snipped a little bit off this white pen, try and blend in the colour. What I'm going to do now is try and super glue that. Hold your breath. God, super glue. Century 21 toy, Mr. Moonbase. It doesn't bear thinking about. So you might not see much action now. I just need to apply a small dab of super glue. There's absolutely none coming out whatsoever. Typical. Yeah, we have lift off, right. Okay, how to get that into the wheel brace? I'm going to shove this tiny little screwdriver in, pop it in, press it right down, now the nature of this Moonbase method is that I will have to wait for that stopper to dry, otherwise it's just not going to work. Okay, so I'm going to replace the lid on that. Just tidy up that bit of glue I've got there and get ready for the second stopper. Our dog Blue has just walked in the room. Blue, come here Blue. What's this? Hello there Blue. That's the Moonbase dog. Right, I'm just going to create another little stopper. This is bound to fly. Unfortunately I'm into the ink, which isn't a problem as long as it doesn't come out. Okay, so we've got our second stopper. Just make sure the other piece is actually tightly in position. and the glue's doing its work. The idea with this is that the two axles will be held in position by these stoppers, but the tyre can wheel freely. As it does on the house right hand way, you can see there again, even the tyre is, the wheel is recycled plastic, multicoloured, sort of marbled. I wonder if that was ever chromed. There is actually a picture of the Super Rocket plane in a brilliant book by Tony Enkiewicz called Future Toys. If you've got a copy of that, you'll find it in there. The Moonship isn't in, but the A-High toy is. Okay guys, I'm going to say sayonara and let this stopper dry and go and have a cup of cha.